Meaning of grand old man.
Grand old man.
Grand old man.
Grand old man.
Grand old man. Grand old man is a title typically given to a respected senior statesman or leader, particularly in politics. The term originated in Britain during the 19th century and was first used to describe William Ewart Gladstone, a four-time UK Prime Minister renowned for his moral character and distinguished career. Since then, the phrase has been applied to various notable figures across different countries and fields. It conveys a sense of wisdom, experience, and authority, suggesting a person who has endured the ups and downs of life and remains held in high esteem by their peers and followers.